This next step that you're going to be doing is installation of the steering rack. This is a very, very important part of the safety of the car, so following these steps carefully is very important. So we will now begin to show you how the rack is installed using the bolts that we furnish. You will be furnishing your rack, and on the narrow cars it will be a narrowed rack, and on the flared cars it will be a standard rack. All of these parts will be called out in the list of parts that you'll have with the car. First thing you do is you position the jack stand underneath the rack to help you hold it in place. You then insert the bolts, and what you have in addition to the bolts are the nuts that go on the back side, which are the Nylock self-locking nuts. Very important to use those. Insert the major 5/8 inch bolts, which are furnished, into the holes, which are drilled and positioned properly and angled properly. And carefully and tediously put the nuts on the back side. And then, of course, the last step following all this will be to tightening. These should be torqued down very tightly. There are bushings in there that allow the rack to flex, which is a normal process. But there are steel sleeves in those bushings to allow you to crank it down and make it tight. And there you have it. You've just installed your rack on your mid-engine Super Speedster. We'll proceed on now to the next step.